Hello, I am Himanshu Deka of Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Assam Downtown University. Today in this video, I am going to discuss one topic from the chapter Drugs and Cosmetics Act 1940 included in the syllabus of BPharm 5th semester Pharmaceutical Jurisprudence. So, as we know, Drugs and Cosmetics Act was passed in 1940. So, Mm, all the aspects of drugs and cosmetics are controlled by the act. The manufacturing, the sale, the import, all the aspects of the drugs and cosmetics are controlled by the Drugs and Cosmetics Act. So, manufacturer of drugs. So, what is manufacturer? Manufacturer in relation to any drugs include any process or part of processes for making, altering, finishing, packing, labeling, breaking up, or otherwise treating or adopting any drug with a view to its sale and distribution, but does not include compounding or dispensing of any drug or packing of any drug in ordinary course of retail business. So, it is a definition of manufacturing in Drugs and Cosmetic Act. So, in simply, manufacturing is production of drugs and cosmetics. Under production, it may come all the production process, all the quality assurance process, all the quality control process, all comes under manufacturing of drugs and cosmetics. A person who is interested in starting manufacturing of drugs is required to fulfill several conditions laid down in Drug and Cosmetic Act and rules. So, if any person wanted to manufacture any drugs or cosmetics, so they have to fulfill defined criteria so that they can manufacture. The condition to be fulfilled before license is granted are collectively called as condition precedent, and the condition that are required to be fulfilled after the license is obtained from the for manufacturing are called as condition subsequent. So, for manufacturing a drug, a license is required. So, a license needs to be obtained from a licensing authority or the concerning authority for manufacturing of drugs and cosmetics. So, before granting any license to a manufacturing party or manufacturing industry, the concerned authority will send their officials or the inspector to check the premises whether the facility is capable of manufacturing drugs and cosmetics without harming its quality. And a condition subsequent means after getting the license and after production started of drugs and cosmetics, there are some requirements that need to be fulfilled during the production processes. So, if they are not able to fulfill the requirements during production, the license can be cancelled. The licensing authority is present in both state and at central government. So, there are two types of licensing authority present in India. In state government, there is one licensing authority and one in state central government. So, there are different licenses that are issued by the licensing authority. First one is manufacturing of drugs belonging to the Schedule C, C1. Manufacturing of drugs belonging to Schedule X. The next license is manufacturing of drugs belonging to C, C1 and X. Then manufacturing of drugs other than Schedule C, C1 and X. Manufacturing of drugs for examination, test or analysis. Then we have loan licenses and repacking license or license for repacking. So, this is a brief introduction to manufacturing of drugs under Drugs and Cosmetic Act. Thank you.